Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly set a specific page on your WordPress account as your home page, or landing page I should say, using the Elementor plugin from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that we need to do actually is we want to make sure that we're logged into your WordPress account as an administrator. And assuming that we have that going for us, as well as we have the Elementor plugin installed, we need to get access to the site editor. So there are a couple ways to get there. You could either click on Edit Site under Quick Links, or click on Elementor, click on Appearance and go to Editor, or click on a specific page and select that page and go to Edit it. Either way doesn't really matter. You just want to get to the site editor or site builder. So to show you guys what I mean, here's what it looks like. And right off the bat, currently, as an example, what I have my homepage set to is this one right here. So let's actually go here. Let's click on View Page on desktop. So here's what they're seeing. Here's my homepage. And on tablet, here's what it looks like. On the phone, here's what it looks like, so on and so forth. Now, if I were to set my homepage to something else, let's say I want to change this one to my homepage. So I want to feature a video, a new picture, as well as a Google Maps plugin, for example, as well as any other elements that you guys want to add. You basically want to save this as a template. And to do so, you want to click on Update first if you made any changes, just to make sure that any of the configurations you made will be carried over when you go to save the template. And then from here, you want to click on Save Options, like so. Click on Save as a Template and give it a name. Let's say New Homepage, right? Click on Save and wait for it to load. And here we are. So here is the homepage now. So if I want to set this as my homepage, we want to go back to WordPress. So let's actually go back to the dashboard real quick. And once we're here, let's go to Home. And from here, you want to navigate to the left-hand side of the screen till you see the option that says Templates. So it's this one right here. And when you guys hover over Templates, you'll see that there's an option under Theme Builder. So it's the third one called Landing Pages. So when we click on Landing Pages, it'll redirect us to this site here. And this is what we have our landing page set to. So this one's actually a draft, so I'm just going to delete it. Now let's start from scratch. So here we are. So we're going to click on Add New. Wait for it to load, and it's going to redirect us to the Elementor plugin from where we could get to select a template. So from here, we select the new template that we just used. So this one right here, click on Insert. And there we are. Now let's actually wait for it to load. So here we are. Here is the new homepage. All we have to do from here is hit publish and we're done. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. It's honestly that simple. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you all for watching the video. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.